Welcome, grade 2 children. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Okay. Now, I just want to ask you something that what was the unit that we have started 2 weeks back, a week ago, last week? That was the leaves. Yes, we have started unit number 5, and that is leaves, right? Now I'm going to show you now what this actually lesson is about. This lesson is about the recapping of the unit 5, that is leaves. I'm going to ask you, I'm going to side by side tell you about and recap and everything that we have done about the topic leaves. Now, starting from the video, I'm going to show you a video again. It's of our Edward video, and you are going to see what are leaves and how many kinds of leaves do we have. Okay, so are you all ready to watch the video? Yes, that's great. Okay, there you go. Can you see my screen, children? That's great. Okay, let's move on.
Leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Let's talk about few of them. Alder. Alder leaves are erect in shape and have a leathery touch, so it's not very soft. Then there is chestnut. Chestnut leaves comprise 5 to 7 pointed, toothed leaflets, so they're very sharp in the corner. Then there are oak leaves. Oak leaves have very deep lobes and smooth edges. Then we have the all famous maple leaf. The maple leaf is the characteristic leaf of the maple tree, also found in orange and red color. Beech leaf. Beech leaves are oval and pointed at the tip with a wavy edge.
Okay, so that was all about the different kinds of leaves, right? But basically, there are two kinds of leaves, right? One is a simple leaf and one is a compound leaf. Now, I have also shown you this picture before, but just to recap and recall, I'm going to show you this again. You can see here a simple leaf and a compound leaf. Now, what actually is a simple leaf? Like you already know, a simple leaf, a leaf that grows, only one leaf that grows on a stem. That is a simple leaf. But if there are more than one leaves, then it is called a compound leaf. And the small leaves you can see here are called the leaflets, right? So this is a simple leaf and this is a compound leaf, right? A simple leaf is only one leaf and a compound leaf is more than one, right? So this you studied. You learned about the different kinds of leaves. First you have studied what are leaves actually. So leaves are a flat green part of a plant. What is a leaf? It's a flat green part of a plant. Now you can see here that these are all different leaves, right? They are all of green color. Yes, they are of different shades of green color only. But are there leaves only of green color, children? No, they are not. Leaves might be, they might be of orange color, they might be of red color, dark brown color, right? Let's see again. How many different colors do leaves have? Okay. Now here in this video, you can identify there are different types of leaves. You can see this is orange color, green color, and then you can see red color. And even the green shades are different shades, right? Some is dark, some is light green, right? In the same way, you can see here These are the different shades of green color. It's not only one green color. It could be this color, this color, this color, this color. So these are all different colors and different shapes of leaves. You can see here, this is light brown, again green, brown, red, orange. You can see different colors of leaves, and also they are of different shapes and sizes, right? You can see the sizes. You can see the shapes of leaves. Yes, here you can see different shapes of leaves and different sizes of leaves. Some of them are small, some of them are very big. Here also you can see different sizes and different shapes of leaves. Yes, yes or no? So that means that leaves, they come in different shapes, they come in different colors, and they come in different sizes. Yet they are, yet they all have the same functions. They all have the same functions. They all have the same parts, right? Okay. So basically, how many parts are there in leaves, which we have already discussed before? Three main parts, and those main parts are here. You can see these are the three main parts of leaf, that is midrib, veins, and leaf blade. Midrib, veins, leaf blade. These are the three main parts of a leaf, right? And you can see a leaf plant. You can see leaf here, stem here, leaf stalk here. So these are the different parts of a leaf. It could be of any color. Leaf can be of any color, yellow, orange, green, brown, but they have the same parts and they have the same functions also. You can see here in between, the midrib is here. This big thing of a stick is called midrib. And veins, you can see these are the veins. And this is the corner part is the leaf blade. So this we discussed in our lesson. We also discussed the functions of leaves. You can see how many functions were there which we discussed yesterday, I think so. There are five functions of leaves. There are different five functions of leaves that we already discussed in detail yesterday. Yes, and what was there? The leaf makes its own food for the plant. Yes, and the food of a plant is what? It's a glucose. And what's a glucose? Glucose is a sugar thing. It's like a sugar, right? And then we also discussed that a leaf make its food with the help of what? Air, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll, right? Air, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. These are the things that helps the leaf to make its food. And what this process is called? This process is called photosynthesis, right? Photosynthesis. So we have discussed the functions of leaf, the parts of leaves, and the different kinds of leaves, right? As I told you, leaves are of, basically leaves are, there were so many different kinds of leaves that I've shown you in the Edworld video, right? Again, it's our Edworld video. Do watch that. There were different kinds of leaves, yet basically there are only two kinds of leaf, simple and compound. What's a simple leaf? I've already told you that the leaf which is there, which is only a one leaf on a stem, that is a simple leaf. But if there are more than one leaves on a stem, then they will be they are called compound leaf. Do you understand? So these are the different kinds of leaves which we did, the parts of leaves which we did, and the functions of leaves that we did, right? So I hope everything is clear to you all. You can also see these are the different colors which I have pasted on my board of leaves which I have shown you yesterday also. Yes, so there are different shapes of leaves, there are different sizes of leaves, there are different colors of leaves, right? So now what I want you to do is, I want you to write in your science notebook a short paragraph on leaves. Okay? You can write down, you can tell the functions in that paragraph, you can tell what a leaf is, what are the different kinds of leaves, and how many functions does it have. Briefly, you can write it down, and later on underneath that you may draw a picture of a leaf also. Since it's a lengthy task, it's a big task, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes for this work, and your time starts now. Time is up, hands up, come on. Alright, now first of all, show me your drawings. Wow, great, Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Alright, now read out what you have read, what you have written. We have learned about leaves in our class, and leaf is a flat green part of a plant, right? So, and what else? There are different kinds of leaves, but basically there are two kinds of leaves, that is simple and compound. But whatever type of leaf is, whatever kind of leaf is, they all will have the same functions. They all are going to have the same parts. Their parts are same, their functions are same, no matter what color they are, what size they are, what shape they are, what kind they are. Their functions, their parts are all the same. This is what we did in the whole unit, right? So everything we have, which we have done, I have explained it to you in your classes as well as today in this class, which was basically a recalling class in which I want to recall everything about leaves. Although there is not much, it's very easy for you. If you watch the video, go on website and do your work, which I'll be posting on portal, your homework, everything will be very, very clear to you. But I am very happy for what you have done just now in class. I'm very happy for you. That was a great thing that you people have done. It shows that how much you have understood the concept and how much was there which was not at all difficult for you, right? So that means in next class we are going to start a new unit, okay? And that new unit would be about fruits and seeds. But before starting that unit, I want you to revise and revise everything in this unit. Up till now, whatever we have done, revise that, go through your book, every questions that we have done in the book, in the notebook, revise those, because in the next class, that will be on Friday, we will be having a test, okay? And next time, in the next week, that is week 8, we are going to start a new unit, okay? So hope you have a nice day. Bye bye. See you later.